Okay, sorry for disturbance. Let me go to the over here again back to the sheet. Okay, how we can do that? Go over here and just say is equal to PMT inside of bracket. First, we need to put interest rate. How much interest rate is 7%. After that, divided by 12 month. Okay, again, I need to give to the comma. After that, what is the time period? Let me select this one. This is my time period, one year before. Okay. After that, I need to do a into how much I need to do into 12 month. Okay. Again, comma, and what is my total amount? This is loan my total amount. Okay. Go over here and just say enter. You need to pay every month a 1557. Okay. This is how we can use the which formula into a financial. We can use which formula? PMT. Okay, this is all. Okay, let me teach you something, another formula. Let me do undo, undo, undo. Okay, this is everything is undo. Okay, now after that, let's understand logical formula. Okay, see, let me check the logical formula. Let's run formulas in logical. You can see there I want to check. Suppose logical formula means what? If suppose you want to apply any logic like true and false, so we can use that. Suppose there is a one Rohit, okay? One Rohit, Joseph, Pika, and the alpha is there, and I want to check a salary. Suppose I want to check salary who if means if suppose you are coming, if suppose not coming, so this is the English word. If a b23 means if a 25 means this one column, if b23 is greater than 50,000, then say 1 means what? 1 means it's true and 0 means false. Okay, let's do this stuff. Okay, for that purpose let me copy this column. Oh no, I want only this much. Copy this column. Okay, going to the my another sheet, pasting over here. Let me zoom it. Now I want to check what? How I want to only check who having the salary greater than 25,000. Okay, or maybe the greater than 50,000. Okay, let's check how we can do that. Go over here first. I want over here value is equal to what? If means I'm using condition. If inside of bracket I want to check what? Logical test. What I want to check? I want to check this value. See, b2 is greater than equal to, suppose greater than 50,000. Okay, then say if b2 is greater than 50,000, so that say 1. If not, that say 0. Okay, you can see, let me over here and just say apply. Okay, go over here and just say enter. So 25 is greater than 50,000. No, that's why it's 0. And I want to again apply over here. Just go over here and is equal to again, right? No, we have the option. Go over here and just drag. You can see automatically same formula apply for all purpose. I do not need to again and again, again and again, again and again do that. And it is same. See, this one is column. What are saying? If b3 means what? This one b3 is greater than 500. Yes, is greater than 15,000. So you can see there is a 1. Okay, you get my point? So this is all about we can use a logical condition. Even we have the text conditions also. Let me show you over here in formula. Okay, see text. If suppose I have the Rohit text and I want to case to uppercase, I want to do a lowercase, I want to do a proper case, we can do that. Uppercase means if suppose I want to convert it into text uppercase, we can do that. Let me show over here only. Okay, going I'm over here. Okay, Rohit. Like let me write anything. Rohit. See, it's like a not a make a sense. See, I'm going over here is equal to upper. Okay, upper case. Done. Just say okay. I need to give to the bracket inside of bracket. Let me put that now. What I want to apply. See over here and just say enter button. You can see it's uppercase. Now suppose I want to do a lowercase. Go over here. Lower. Okay, is equal to remaining is equal to lower. Okay, inside of bracket choose that particular. I know, just choose that. See, done lowercase, just hit enter. See, right now my word is lowercase, and we have another also proper case means, like only the R will be a capital and everything will be a small. Go over here is equal to uh, what proper case inside of, let me put it this word and just say okay. You can see Rohit only a capital. So this is text formula. Also we can use that inside a lot of formula we have. Okay, I don't want to give to the brief that. Okay, now after that we have the define names. Define names means, if suppose I am let me take this one kind of things so you can understand much betterly. Copy these things, going to the over here. Let me paste it. Why it's not paste? Okay, let me delete it this slide. Going over here, let me paste it. Let me again check why it's not coming. Copy, pasting. Okay, done. Now, previously what happened. I want to check that, if suppose I want to do that, I want to do this calculation, like Rohit calculation total. What happened? I'm doing over here, doing what is equal to what, after that I'm giving what sum, right, inside of bracket. I want to select that, see, select that all things, and after I need to hit enter, right? This is the all about we are doing calculation. Okay, but I have the another types also. I can define that range. I can define this range using by word one text. Okay, I can give a text name as my range. Okay, let me show that how we can do that. See, go to the first define name, click that define name. After that, give the particular name for whatever you want to define. Suppose I want to define total. Okay, let me go over here. Total. Okay, total I want to do. Now select what we exactly a refer. Okay, let me select it. Go over here and just selected which one you want. Okay, and just say okay. So basically what happened, you already make a one range. You can see manage over here. You can see what your range make. See over here, I total make a range. Okay, let me go over here and let me type is equal to is equal to is equal to, after suppose I want to do sum function done inside of, I need to only write, I do not need to write, I do not need to select, only write inside of that what total. Okay, total, apply, and just say enter button. So you can see the total is done. I do not need to again and again, select that. I can only write total inside of that word, and I can easily do a whatever I want. So what happened? I'm done what the giving a range of that particular cell, and I'm making using like a in text. Okay. So even we can delete that. See, there is a delete option. If suppose I want to edit, I can edit that also, that particular range. You can do any stuff. So where inside of define names, okay, where we have a manage, we can manage name, we can define name, we can use name, and we can create for a section also. This is all about the define.